This is our latest project. It is straight from IAA. It's a 2019 Mitsubishi Mirage. It only has 8,800 miles on it, so you could say 9,000 miles on it. Very minimal damage to it. I want you guys to see what I'm looking at. The hood does have some scuffs, no dent. So I'm assuming they wanted to blend. It does have rock chips and all the normal stuff, but let's check it out. There's the little engine. It's a 3-cylinder. I believe it's a 1 point something. I don't remember the specs on it. Still has a factory marking, the tamper markings, so you can see if somebody's tampered with it. Here's the course report. It looks pretty straight. This side looks pretty straight. The hinge latch is good. This fender apron is the one I was a little concerned about. You can see this bracket's a little bent. I don't know if that's how it is or maybe it needs a little adjusting. Right here looks good. It looks normal like the other side, as you guys can see right there. So the damage didn't go beyond the fender. It was a very minimal hit that damaged the light and the fender. I'll show it to you guys right now. And door, they took it apart so they could blend it. You can see right here, I don't see any damage. Maybe some scuffing, but not too much. Most likely I will end up blending it, but I want you guys to see it. Here's the fender. It has a kink right there. It has a buckle right there, and it has a dent right here and here. I do not know if we're gonna repair this or not, but this is a $300 fender new. So we're gonna see if we could get a little bit cheaper. If not, we're just gonna replace it. Save us at least 3 hours or more of repair time. You can see the grill, the rear tail lamps. That looks like the upper engine cover, damaged tail lamp. And you can see the impact bar right here. Impact bar has no damage to it. And this is the rear end damage. There's a little buckle right there, very little. And I already checked the frame rails. It's not the frame rails. It's because the hit was right in the center. You can see right here the rear body. It's a little dented, not too much where you cannot repair it. And I want you to see the trunk has a dent right here. And it has another dent on this side. So it was hit right in the middle. That's where this car was hit. And I'm assuming it got pushed forward and it went and hit someone else. It's a Mitsubishi Mirage G4. This car is valued at 12 grand, not including the salvage title. With the salvage title, it's worth about 85 to 9 grand, depending on the buyer. We're under 4 grand in it right now, not including parts, because the lamp is right there. This lamp was in the trunk. It's the front headlamp that is damaged. Brand new look, it's still in the box. So I'm assuming it was in the middle of, right after the tear down, they did the supplement. And then that's when the insurance decided to total it. That's what I'm assuming. Because usually you would have to replace this rear body because of that minimal damage. Sometimes you can repair it. It depends on the body man and the insurance. But let's check out the inside. It looks pretty clean, pretty new. You can see the door panel, trim panel right there. These are the front bumper parts. You can see how they took it apart. There's a mirror right there. Let's go on the other side. Pretty clean little car. Electronic windows, power door locks. So it's a little dirty. 5-speed manual. Usually that's how we would do in the body shop. You just put all the screws and all the stuff from the door panel right there so you won't lose them. I used to put them in the cup holder right there so I wouldn't lose them. Or if I had to take both of them apart, I would put the passenger side on this side and the driver's side stuff on this side. And then the handles, I would just throw them right here. That's what I would do. Let's go around. See if I could open it. Oh, I got it. Look at that. So you can see how they took the door panel apart. See if I can see the mileage. So you can see how it's nice and clean. It's a nice little car. It's a good daily driver, you know, it's a gas saver. I mean, I wouldn't buy it for me, but I know somebody is in the market for one of these gas savers. 4 grand in, most likely we'll repair that. We'll repair this. Don't judge me, but here I have the bumpers. The rear bumper, I think we are gonna repair. Very minimal damage. And here's the front bumper. We got everything. We just gotta do some minor body work. I would say a week, maybe 7 days turnaround, and then put it for sale. And we're gonna make about 4 grand into our 4 grand, $4,500 investment. Not too bad, not too shabby. I'm happy with it, so. So there you have it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys want to see the progress of the repairs and how much we end up selling it for. Give it a like, comment below if you guys have any questions, and give me your opinion what you guys think of this buy. Is it a good buy? Is it a bad buy? Let me know, and I will see you guys on the next video.